Committee has still not been formed. We are on the verge of forming the committee. So once the committee forms, that on the labor wages committee is there. So once that is formed, we will be having a discussion on that. It will be done.
How long it will take, sir? Long pending issue.
Maybe 2 months time. So let's give 2 months time. Within 2 months time, this issue will be.
Sir, just now you said that there will be changes in that road over there, the bridges to bridge over there.
They are having, see, smart city is coming up with a smart road. Now how smart that road is there, we will see now. So that is the reason I am saying that the road should not be smart and the people should not be left behind. Most important thing, our flooding is the major issue. That the issue should be taken care of. So afterwards, what when one department blames the other. So I said, let all the departments sit together and coordinate it. So that these hurdles should not come in future.
Sir, but you said now smart roads, but a lot of the roads on the Panjim side.
No,
now
they're taking only this one.
No, but I'm saying all over the Panjim, sir. All over the Panjim, because new roads are started digging, sir. All the side in the Panjim.
That is wrong, no. I'm saying the PWD should take care of it. PWD basically, who gives permission to dig the roads? It's the PWD. PWD should basically see that whatever works are to be done. They should have done the works earlier. It is PWD's job that is. I'm not blaming anyone, but they should know what is their responsibility.
दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे सर पेंजी मध्ये ट्रॅफिक इश्यूज वाढत असतात एव्हरी इयर तो चालू असतो.
Traffic police is in place. I have been discussing with the traffic inspector now and then. But I see sometimes when I go around, 4-5 police constables are there in one corner only, just giving challans and catching tourists. Nothing more than that. They are here basically to solve the traffic problems in the city, but they are not doing that.
सर अनेक इश्यू असा की स्मार्ट सिटी अंडर आम्ही सिग्नल्स घातलेले खूप प्लेसेस अंतरिम जंक्शन म्हणा किंवा मॉलाकडे पण त्याच्या पयलीं ट्रॅफिक फ्लो बरो आसतालो पण आफ्टर सिग्नल घातले पण ट्रॅफिक फ्लो चड जावन
हांवें स्वता पळयलेलें हांवें सिग्नल घालतकच आनी पुलिसीक धरल्यार म्हणजे दाखोवपाक डायरेक्शन जाल्यार स्वता प्रॉब्लम जाता.